I have tricks in my pocket. I have things up my sleeve. But I'm the opposite of the stage magician. He gives you illusion that has the appearance of truth. I give you truth in the pleasant disguise of illusion. I take you back to an alley in St. Louis, the time, that quaint period when the huge middle class of America was matriculating from a school for the blind. Their eyes had failed them, or they had failed their eyes. And so they were having their fingers pressed forcibly down on the fiery Braille alphabet of a dissolving economy. In Spain, there was a revolution. Here, there was only confusion and chaos and labor disturbances, sometimes violent in otherwise peaceful cities such as Cleveland, Chicago, Detroit. That is the social background of this play. The play is memory. Being a memory play, it is dimly lighted. It is sentimental. It is not realistic. I am the narrator of the play and also a character in it. The other characters are my mother, Amanda, my sister, Laura, and a gentleman caller who appears in the final scenes of the play. He is the most realistic character in it, being an emissary from a world we were somehow set apart from. There's a fifth character of the play, represented only by a photograph. When you see this picture of this grinning gentleman, know that he is our father. The last time we saw him was a picture postcard from the Pacific coast of Mexico, containing only 2 words: hello, goodbye, and no address.